Akupe.
We have awoken to disturbing news this morning following a cowardly attack on my vehicle by armed gunmen last night. This incident has been formally reported to the relevant investigating authorities, who have since launched an in-depth into the matter. We remain confident that justice will be served and the perpetrators will be brought to book. However, in light of the office I hold and the increasingly worrisome trend of political violence, especially the targeting of leaders in Kasipul constituency, this attack is not only alarming but deeply troubling. While we patiently await the findings of the investigation, I call for calm among the public and urge everyone to refrain from speculation that could heighten tension or derail the pursuit of the truth. The people of Kasipul are still grappling with the tragic loss of our Honorable MP, Omondowere, whose brutal murder shook this community to the core, and now, before the wounds even begin to heal, another shockwave has been sent through our midst. Let me be clear, we cannot and must not allow our politics or leadership disagreements to descend into bloodshed, intimidation, and revenge. Ladies and gentlemen, a society that allows violence to become a tool of resolutions is a society on the brink. Violence begets violence, and if we don't put a stop to it, the cycle will consume all of us. And this is actually my position, and I urge for unity amongst the leaders and the people of Kasipul and the Homabay at large. That is actually my position, and I stand by the brief I've given. We are going to give further information later. Before yesterday's incidents, I had already received some threats, of which I didn't take seriously, and I didn't also know that it would happen so soon like yesterday. During the funeral, there was a plan for me to be attacked, and that is why I did try to avoid the funeral. And this, I even conveyed the message to some key people that I would not attend because of the threats. I only hear it from the media that I'm about to resign. Again, I'm about to be impeached. And these ones have been actually flying. And if that is the position, then I'm also waiting to hear when I'll be impeached, and that resignation, just as I've said, I'm also reading it.
We are still mourning our beloved MP who passed on a few days ago through the same incident, and we have seen many things happening left and right. I think it is the best time for us to take action whenever we hear any light information about killings, because it was experienced less than 2 weeks ago. I think it is only 3 days after we had the burial of our beloved MP Ongondoweri. I remember Mr. Ngondo said severally about the threats of his life, and nothing was happened, nothing was taken as serious, and it comes to an end that he was killed. I am appealing to our people and our political leaders that we have many ways to solve our differences. If suppose there is any difference between Mheshimiwa Magwanga and his colleagues than the killings that we have seen coming through people that we don't know. As he has stated that the matter is in the police and in investigators, we will not be able to say much. But we have a lot to speak about our constituency and about our leadership. Number one, we must remember that Mheshimiwa Magwanga is a family man. He comes from a family. If we remove politics out of him, he is a father, he is coming from a family. We are requesting those murderers who are trying to kill him or to assassinate him to please forgive us. Give us time. Give us time. If is there any place that we wrong you in a way, please give us time.